Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick running action pose. We have done some running action poses before, but this one is again a perspective pose, and it's essentially used for action and characters that are in action or who run fast, and you could also use it for other purposes. So we will start off with the shoulders. Those circles are the delt area right there, so bicep and tricep, forearm would actually go like this and like this, and then the fist right there, and then I would actually go like that, so there's some foreshortening there. That one is, and that hand is shown as short, not as long as this. This is in the foreground, that is further away. So we will just do that, and we'll put on some fingers and a thumb there, and then we will go like this just for sort of a guideline. So there is the chest, the middle of the torso, somewhere here, and that is again some foreshortening because it's going toward the back as we are going to the lower part of the body. So there is the bottom part, and there is our foreshortening coming into effect again. So that is the leg and the foot right there, and right here one huge knee and foreshortening right around there. That is the foot, that is the shin and calf. And I guess we'll put the guy's head somewhere here, so just put in an oval like so. So as you can see, that looks like a humanoid form already, that is running. And now we are going to put some form around this guy. So I'm putting in the hand right there, and I'm going to put in that hand right around that structure. And again, as I said, so some foreshortening involved. So the collarbone will be somewhere here. There's the chest, and there's the lower part of the body, but right there we are going to put in so it's just like kind of like a sprinter, but a very dynamic, a more dynamic pose than we see in real life. So comics use this very often for their key characters. So I've got that going, but then this one here is the big one. So I mean, literally it is the bigger knee, and there we are showing comparatively much shorter foot right in the background there. There's the heel, and the pose is more or less complete. We'll just put in a head there. So I'm just putting in something to match the rest of the body there. Ears, if you're using them, again, it depends on who you're doing and what character it is and what purpose you're doing this for. And I'm putting in some muscle lines there, and there we are. So a quick running pose with that perspective and with some foreshortening. If I had a light source like falling right down on this guy, so I would probably go like this. So I'm just going to darken this area, otherwise you could of course have your own little bit of detail and choice of apparel going for this guy, but this is what I'm just doing from the outset to put some quick fills in place. There's the attention on the quad, similar attention here. And as you see here, that was a fairly quick exercise in putting down a running figure, and in that very dynamic and popular pose. A lot of foreshortening involved, and if you pay more attention to this, this could be actually a host of characters, and one that of course comes to mind right away, I could make this into anybody I want, but so I could make this into the Flash, I could make this into Quicksilver, or a host of other characters. So the idea was the pose itself, so there we are. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.